start. In the first place, so far as this resolution is concerned, it has been worded in such a way that it is likely to lead to results other than desirable, and he has put in certain expressions which call for very strong remarks. Stop. In the first place, may I point out here, as some honorable members have rightly pointed out, that this question raises 2 points question mark. One is whether he has found any flaws in the government rules, regulations or executive orders. Stop. Now all these orders are before Parliament. Stop. We have got the government servants bracket conduct rules. We have got rules relating to disciplinary matters. We have got rules for safeguarding the national security, and we have got certain other rules dealing with the filing of petitions or appeals. Stop. So far as the wording in all these rules is concerned, my friend, or rather our friends opposite, have not pointed out any single defect or any expression that is likely to be misused. Stop. Under the circumstances, sir, I fail to see any necessity for scrutinizing all these rules, because they have stood the test of time, and the omission by my honorable friends to point out any particular defect or any expressions of a sweeping nature in itself some evidence to show that the wording of these rules, regulations and executive orders is proper is unexceptionable. Stop. I shall deal with this aspect later on. Again, stanza. The next question that arises is whether there are actions taken by the executive by not interpreting the rules properly or by abusing the rules for the purpose of what they call victimization or discrimination. Stop. So far as this question is concerned, some honorable members have given a few instances in their own way, and my honorable friend suggested that the facts have been given by him. Stop. They are not the facts. Stop. They are his coloring of certain happenings. Stop. Had the honorable members given me all the instances wherever they found them in which there was any attempt at victimization or discrimination, certainly I would have been in a better position to effectively answer all those points. Stop. All the same, may I point out that in this connection we have to be careful. Question mark. I could have understood the honorable mover's speech a vehement speech before the general elections, when his party was in the happy position of being members of the opposition here or elsewhere. Over.